you thinking about putting a pool in your backyard? Wondering how much space you need? Keep watching to find out. If you're thinking about building a swimming pool, one of the first things to consider is how much space you'll need. In this video, I'll talk about the key things to think about before installing a pool, such as size, landscaping, what to do if you have a small backyard, and more, to help you figure out the best option. So, how many square meters do you actually need for a pool? The answer to that question depends on a few things. Here are three. Area. Start by looking at the size of your backyard and where you'd like the pool to be positioned. Ideally, you'd want to place your pool in an area that gets plenty of sunlight, is protected from strong winds, and is easily accessible from your house. Function. When you've worked out where to place the pool, think about how you're going to use it. Do you want it to primarily cool down on a hot day? For swimming laps, for the kids to play in, or for all of the above? Also, consider whether you would like patio, decking, or landscaping around the pool, and how much space this will take up, in addition to the pool itself. In almost every state, pools require a permit. Consult with your local council to find out what's involved. Pool sizes and shapes. Now you've thought about your backyard size, location of your pool, and your family's needs, you can start looking at what shape and size pool would be the best fit. Rectangular pools are a popular choice for many homeowners, and the size will vary depending on how deep you want the pool to be. A pool that's 1.2 metres deep, with a total surface of 20 square metres, would be a comfortable size for swimming laps. The smallest size for a pool that is commonly built in Australia and New Zealand is around 15 square metres, which is suitable for swimming laps or for cooling down on a hot summer's day. If you have lots of space to work with, both in your yard and your budget, a freeform or kidney-shaped pool could be a great option. The minimum size for a freeform pool is around 25 square metres, but sometimes people go for larger ones to accommodate features like waterfalls, slides, and seating areas. What if you don't have enough space? If you've considered the points I've just talked about and have realised you simply don't have enough space for a pool, you might be feeling disheartened, but don't be. There are other options available, like swim spas. Swim spas provide the benefits of both a traditional pool and a spa pool in one convenient package. Typically ranging from around 4 to 6 metres in length and 1.3 metres to 1.5 metres in depth, they are perfect for people who want a swimming pool but don't have enough space. If fitness is your thing, swim spas are a great way to go. Large swim jets create a continuous stream of moving water which you can swim against while staying in place. You can also control the temperature so you can enjoy a hot soak in winter or cool down in the summer months. Of course, you don't have to use your swim spa for workouts. You can simply splash about and enjoy them as you would a family pool. Some models even have different zones, with a swimming area at one end and a traditional spa at the other, with hydrotherapy jets to relax, unwind and relieve muscle aches and pains. Plus, swim spas are energy efficient, easy to maintain and completely portable, so you can take your investment with you when you leave. To summarise, traditional pools range in size from 15 square metres upwards. To work out whether you have enough space, consider the size of your backyard, location, functionality and desired pool size. And remember, if you don't have enough space, a swim spa could be an excellent alternative. To find out more about swim spas or spa pools, get in touch with our specialist team at Spa World. The link is in the description below, or call into your local Spa World.